Hello everyone, let's fold a ninja star today. Ninja, who are kind of spies, carry them inside their hands as their weapon. We need 2 sheets of paper of the same size. Their colors can be the same or different. If you only have rectangular paper, refer to my other video to get squares. I would recommend you use origami paper since it is thinner and stronger. It would be easier to fold layers of papers that we'll do towards the end today. The first couple of steps are the same for both papers. Place the white sides facing up, having the edges of the paper at the top and bottom. Fold the first paper in half by matching the bottom edge to the top edge. Crease the mounting fold. Then do the same thing for the second paper. Fold the paper in half by matching the bottom edge to the top edge. Unfold both papers. Fold the bottom edge of the first paper to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Do the same thing on the second paper. Fold the bottom edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the top edge to the middle line. Fold it in half by matching the top edge to the bottom edge. Crease the mounting fold. Do the same thing on the second paper. Fold the top edge to the middle line. Then fold it in half by matching the top edge to the bottom. Fold the right edge of the first paper to the left edge. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. Do the same thing on the second paper. Fold the right edge to the left edge. Crease the mounting fold. Unfold it. You should have 1 layer at the top and 2 layers at the bottom. We'll fold the 2 papers a little differently from here on. Take the first paper and fold the bottom edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the top edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Take the second paper. Fold the top edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the bottom edge to the middle line. Crease the mounting fold. Turn over both papers. Fold the bottom square part along its top edge. Crease well and unfold it. Then bring the bottom left corner to the opposite corner by making a triangle. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the top square part along its bottom edge. Crease well and unfold it. Bring the top right corner to the opposite corner by making a triangle. Crease the mounting fold. Take the second paper. Fold the bottom square part along its top edge. Crease well and unfold it. Bring the bottom right corner to the opposite corner by making a triangle. Crease the mounting fold. Fold the top square part along its bottom edge. Crease well and unfold it. Bring the top left corner to the opposite corner by making a triangle. Crease the mounting fold. Turn over both papers and place them as shown. The top triangles are situated outside and the bottom triangles are inside. Let's label critical places so that we can do the next steps very easily without getting lost. Use a pencil so that we can erase them after the completion. Label uppercase A through G in each corner. Draw a short line under lowercase a through G on each side to indicate a pocket. Turn over only the second paper and rotate it to the left. The shape should look like an S. Check if you can see the uppercase H on the back side of the top right corner. If you are seeing an E, you need to rotate it to get the H there. Then put the first paper on top of it. They should form an imaginary square. Take the top right-hand corner H and slide it into the pocket underneath the lowercase h with a line. The key to make a nice ninja star is to hold the two parts tightly together so that they will not move around in the wrong directions. Rotate your wrist a little bit to the right and take the bottom corner E and slide it underneath the lowercase e with a line. Turn over the papers as holding both papers tightly so that they will not move around. Take the top right corner A and slide it underneath the lowercase a with a line. Take the bottom left corner D and slide it underneath the lowercase d. Now we have completed a ninja star. Congratulations! Enjoy throwing your ninja star by attempting with different angles. Thank you for folding a ninja star with us today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Fold more with different sizes of origami paper and see how differently they behave when you throw them. See you next time!